Right. This is the queen palm tree in front of the house. Raised in front of the house, like sun. It grows tall. Very popular in the Florida environment, especially with developers, because it's basically cheap and it dresses up the home very nicely. Pastoral palm. It is a landscape of people who do landscaping. It's a treasure for them because it just loves to grow and throw leaves off, and they just don't drop off. They have to be cut off. So if you want it to look nice, you're going to join the crew that likes landscaping, or you have to supply or be a landscaper yourself and climb up, or do what others do, and they hire a landscape company to come through and maintain it. So this is the queen palm tree. As you can see, I made a mistake and put it in front of the house because, like I say, it's a landscape monster. And what happens if you have patio stones, you can see what happens when it does the patio stones. It basically lifts them up. So, and the reason it lifts them up, so it got caught in a hurricane a couple of times, and these little darlings, they don't come down that fast. They just wave back and forth, and as they wave back and forth, they're lifting up the patio stones. So one day it's going to graduate into the Landscapers Hall of Fame, which is the recycle bin. So we'll get there one day at a time. But it produces seed racks. There's the yellow one. See those little flowers? They will drop to the floor, like over here. And after they drop to the floor, all those lovely little seeds, that's a very small rack from last year. But the seeds are about an inch and a half in size. And there's literally hundreds of them, and they will drop to the floor down there. And guess who loves these little seeds? Oh, little squirrels. So you'll have visitors all over the place to enjoy your little seeds. So thank you for stopping by and say hello to everybody. Bye-bye.